2021 Tokyo Olympian Chad Wright secured gold in the heavyweight division at the recent Criollio Invitational Weightlifting Tournament in Puerto Rico. Wright, who also recently represented Jamaica at the Tokyo World Athletics Championships in Japan in the men's discus, won the plus 110 kilogram category. He registered a combined total of 313 to snatch victory. James Daly was the next best placed Jamaican, taking bronze in the 110 kilogram category with a combined score of 271. Christian Pamels also placed third in the 86 kilogram category with a combined score of 152. In other results, Omari Mears was fourth in the 88 kg category with a combined total of 259, while Rayan Selman was fifth in the same category with a combined score of 245. Jean-Claude placed fourth in the 94 kg category with a combined score of 251, while Rayan Selman ended fifth in the 88 kg class with a combined score of 245. This was Jamaica's first ever appearance at the Criollio Weightlifting Tournament in Puerto Rico.